Hello and thank you for watching another Design R1 tutorial video. We really appreciate all the positive feedback we've been getting. In today's video, we'd like to show you how to use a few of the features in Swiss Army Knife. Specifically, probably just one today, how to do proper casing. So you can see I did an import to this database and John Chance came in complete upper cases. So how do I fix this in the whole database? You'll notice on some of the contacts I've imported, better if I go to list view and show you. I have a couple contacts here that are all caps, so I want to go through and fix these guys. So I go to my tools menu, choose Swiss Army Knife. We're going to do a replace on the contacts. We're going to choose all contacts. Inside the contact field, when the field contains any data, we want to set the value, and we're going to use the proper command. Now, for those of you that are Excel gurus, this stuff should look pretty familiar to you. If you are not an Excel person like myself, you have to train yourself. But this is the screen you would want to use proper casing for the contact entity inside the contact field. When I go ahead and click OK here, Act is going to go through and update my database and perform the proper casing. And let me come here, and when I refresh, I might need to refresh. So View menu, down to refresh. Let's go and take a look and see that Stony Brook is no longer in all caps, neither is John Chance. If I go back to my list view, and if I quickly scroll through here, I actually had 12 contacts in here that were all caps. They are all lowercase now. So that is how you perform a proper function using Swiss Army Knife. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you stay tuned and look forward to some more feedback and some more videos. Thank you. Have a great day.